everyone, welcome back to Learning Information Technology with Teacher Stone. In this video, I'm bringing to you yet another tool, and that tool can be utilized in the subject area of mathematics, and the tool is Photomath App. Now, this is a mobile application that has a camera calculator. It uses the phone's camera to recognize mathematical equations and then displays the step-by-step solution on screen. Now, all you're required to do is to download the app. And the awesome thing about this app is it is available for free, both on Android and iOS. Additionally, the app works without a Wi-Fi connection or data. Now, I am sure you're wondering how this app actually works. Well, the app instantly scans, solves, and explains how the solution is acquired through a step-by-step guide. So let me show you how this app actually works. So I've gone ahead and I've installed the app using my Google Play Store, as I'm using an Android device. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. So I had written down a simultaneous equation. All right. So I'm just going to extend this a little bit so that the frame goes around my question. All right, there you go. So all I'm required to do is to take a picture. When I take the picture, it scans the picture and then it brings up the solution. Now, you are aware that a simultaneous equation can be solved using different methods. More so, we're very used to the substitution method and the elimination method. All right, so let's check out one of them. We're going to go and look at the solution for the elimination method. All right, so I'm just tapping on that and then show solving steps. All right, and then we can select explain steps. And it takes us through each step one by one. And we can just go ahead and click on next step. Next step. All right. So it is giving us a step-by-step guide as to how we arrive at the solution for this simultaneous equation. All right. And we can also go back and look at the substitution method as well. All right. Awesome. This is really a useful app. I want to tell you though that this app, Photomath app, is not a substitute for active learning. So instead of having our students on their phones as a distraction, you can have them use it in class to supplement their learning in this subject area. I want to thank you for watching, and I encourage you to look out for videos showing more useful tools that we can use in the classroom.